I'm gonna do something really basic. So ultra processed foods by definition, at its simplest, is foods that you can't make in your kitchen. 70% of our American food supply is processed. And what I want you to pay attention to is look at what you've eaten today. What have you eaten today that's not ultra processed? So if you're eating bread is fine, but what kind of bread? Homemade bread is going to be less ultra processed. Most foods are going to be some sort of processed. A washed vegetable is processed. A canned vegetable is processed. But ultra processed foods would be like a Dorito. You can't typically make a Dorito corn chip in your kitchen. You could make a corn chip of some sort, I guess, if you had cornmeal, but typically most people aren't going to make corn chips in their kitchen. So if most of your foods are minimally processed, meaning you're having eggs, you're having cheese, but cheese is a processed food. So it becomes this nuanced conversation. If you're having whole foods that don't require a chemist, most of the time, you're doing really good. If most of your foods require a chemist, you might be missing out on some essential vitamins and minerals, and especially fiber. So foods that you're going to find in your kitchen, like nuts or seeds, especially chia or flax, things like beans, things like fruits and vegetables, they're going to have all of this fiber that is missing in a lot of our American food supply, which can have so many benefits. One of those benefits we're seeing is the production of your man-made or endogenous GLP-1, which can help with hunger cues. So there's a lot of cool research on GLP-1. That's a really hot topic right now. So I'm not talking about medication, but if you can have lots of fibers in your food and fermented food, that's one way to help with your natural production if your metabolism and chronic disease is neutral. Hope this helps.